I don't know if I got the GoPro turned on in time, but guys, we have not one, not two, but 3 race cars today. It is race day at Emerald Coast Dragway, Factory Street with the SoCo 275 series. This is the foot brake class that we all like to race. We like to do the things, you know, it's about street cars that can drive wherever you want, do whatever you want, just the way they rolled off the factory, just with a little bit of sauce sprinkled on. That's what Factory Street is about, and today is race day for that.
It's kind of nice in the daytime.
If you've been here before, what do we say right here?
What do we say?
Oh, come on. We fill them up with ice so we can kick their ice.
Okay.
So getting ready for Jesus. So getting ready for a round 1 shakedown, just a test and tune pass before the official racing kicks off. We've got a couple of hours of test and tune before things really get going. Gonna let the sun get down a little bit further, but hey, round 1 shakedown. We're gonna let Aden make a pass. Austin's gonna make a pass. Greg's gonna make a pass. 3 race cars, let's go. So I feel like every time I make one of these videos, we always start off with this bright, sunshiny day, and then just out of nowhere, it's just nighttime. It's just instantly nighttime, but that's where we're at right now. We are heading into round 1 qualifying. This is, we have like 17 or 18 cars today. It's a really good turnout for a Factory Street race, but they decided to put us on a pro ladder, so we all have to do at least 1 round of qualifying, so that way they can set up a whole pro ladder. We're gonna run it off that. No chip draw this time, so everybody's got to make a good pass right here. This is who determines who we're gonna race. Spinning right there. Went a 6.6 at 117. Well, first round qualifying pass. It's fun for the first time all weekend.
Yeah.
It's fun with the tire in here, dude.
Crazy.
I think put a little air pressure in there. We'll be right back where we started.
Yeah, we watched the video. Wrinkled up pretty hard, so we're gonna put a pound in it and see what it does.
Yeah, go from there.
All day.
class of cars tonight is freaking tight. There's a little S10 that went that 580. He's pretty fast. That's a very nice truck. Seems pretty legit. But other than him, the rest of the field is incredibly tight. 3/10 window that separates like the top 6 or 7 cars other than that S10. So that's freaking tight racing. So hopefully we get to see some good pairs go down. Hopefully the ladder gets even better on this second round of qualifying coming up to you right now. So 2 cars and 2 spins. This is not the way that we wanted to qualify. We really wanted to be able to put Aden's 611 down that he went earlier in the day. We really wanted to be able to turn that in. And then Austin, his typical 640 car, we wanted to be able to turn both of those slips in. But unfortunately, we are not there right now. We are a little bit off due to the spinning. But we were trying something a little bit differently, and obviously it didn't work for either car. So we're gonna go back to what we know. We're heading into round 1 right now. I'm gonna go try to see if we can find this ladder, because we all qualified, put us on a ladder. Round 1 coming up. So this car is really cool, guys. Just found out that it is an NA bolt-on car, one of the fastest, if not the fastest, all bolt-on SSs in the country. So that's freaking cool. And he looks like he has a first round buy. We're looking for car number 050, and he has not shown up for first round. So our buddy Matt here is looking like he's got a first round buy. Moving on back, we have Dolan and Greg. This is our buddies. This is not what you want to see. You don't want to see your buddies racing, but at least one of them is going to get to move on to second round. That's good. That's not a bad thing, that you have to take the good with the bad. Moving on back, we have this S10. This is our number 1 qualifier with like a 580 versus this S10 Blazer. I don't remember what he ran, but he's going to be somewhere near the bottom of the ladder, being that this is a number 1 qualifier. So we have Austin and Mr. Clyde here with the twin turbo Mustang. Good pair right here. They are going to go down neck and neck. You watch. It's going to be good. So then we have the Shelby back here. Dang it, I know it's dark. I know you can't see. We got the Shelby and this BMW. They're going to be the next pairs. And then Aden. Oh, shoot, they're calling them to get suited up. Aden and the Turbo Trans Am. That's going to round out the class. And it's going to be some good action. Brother man.
What up?
I told everyone that we were done spinning. You can do wheelies on Friday.
I know.
And spinning on Saturday.
We did a wheelie today.
Yeah, you spun in a wheelie earlier today.
You know?
So what are we doing? You putting air in the tire?
Yeah, it's just wadding up on the hit. So we're gonna keep bringing it up, seeing what it does, and then try to figure it out.
So we got knocked out, but they have some testing tune.
Yeah.
And we're gonna try to slide in there and get this shit figured out.
Right.
Because this car works, and it's not working right now.
I know. Like, what is going on?
So
we're gonna figure it out, though. That's all we can do. Take advantage of the situation while we're here.
So we're gonna pull around. They have a little bit of test and tune left. We made a few air pressure adjustments to the car. We think that the car is just absolutely wadding up the tire too much to maintain traction. It's trying to tire shake. So that's why the car is able to leave for a few feet and then start spinning. But they got a couple of cars right here for test and tune before they call it quits and just go straight into the racing for the rest of the night. So we are going to see if the air pressure adjustments we made are going to get the car to work, because even though we're out of competition, we got knocked out with both Austin's car, Aden's car, and Greg's car. It's you know, we don't like to go down easy, so you know, we got to figure this thing out. We want to get data while the track is good, because the surface is pristine right now. The surface is not our problem. We're fighting something else. So if we can get data on a surface like this while we can, we're going to do it.
Tell me what kind of purse and what it looks like, I will return it. Again, lost purse, top of the tower. You can tell me what it looks like, I'll give it back to you. 650 and 750.
Well, pal,
Another day at racing.
that's why they call it racing and not winning.
No doubt. So, man, we did everything we could.
Yeah. So we went up on air pressure on that last test pass, thinking that we were killing the tire.
Yeah. And it still acted like it wanted more.
And yeah, and it still did.
So, I don't know. It's just one of those things where, you know, you get a wrench thrown at you, and you just got to take what you got and go from there, learn from it. I got everything noted of, you know, what the night's like, what the dew point is, what the temps were.
If anything, we know some stuff we did wrong. You know, like that stuff don't work on this deal. You know, and the track's really, really good.
Yeah, they did a great job.
Yeah, what we have right now ain't it. You know, so that's not a total loss. But speaking of that, like, one good thing about it, guys, is me and Austin were just talking about this off camera, is that we are beyond pumped that the class is growing. We had I think like 16 tech cards purchased, but only 14 started first round. But 14 cars. This last race we had 5.
Yeah.
So to see growth in the class is a big deal. It's competitive, it's fast. We you know, we know that we're right on the cusp of where we need to be really competitive. But you know, without having more cars and more push, it's, you know, it's tough. Yeah. Right now we're on the slower end of things, especially me, but you know, Austin's right in the mix, but you know, we're gonna have to do some more work to get there.
Yeah, ain't no doubt. I mean, that's what we bought. That's what we built the car for. I mean, that is what I like. If they got a factory street or daily driver class, that is what I'm wanting to race. Yeah. So we just got a lot. You know, we're learning a lot every time. You know, that's what you got to do. You can't just come out here and expect to win, and you know, you got to take what you get and learn from it and move on.
We always say that we like to race, and that's what, you know, we only got to go one round. You know, we didn't win any rounds, but we got to race. And if we had went rounds, we would have done just that. We'd have been going rounds racing, and racing is what we come for. You know, we don't like to lose. Losing makes us very angry.
Ain't no doubt.
But we always keep in mind that the racing part is what's important here. You have to like the racing part first. And so seeing the class grow, seeing the cars get faster, seeing where we need to get faster, seeing where we need to improve our margins of error it's not a bad thing, you know. So
yeah, you got to learn from it. Everything you do, I don't care, even if you come out here and tear everybody up, still learn something.
Right.
You got to. You know, them old timers that come out in their little flannel shirts, you know. Yeah. Oh, that's a carburetor motor. I know how to tune that rig. Yeah. You know, them guys didn't learn it just by going out there and winning and not doing anything extra. Right. That's years and years of experience and years of losing. Yeah. They lost a lot before they got to those wins. So you know, we're just going to take what we get and we're going to learn from it. We're going to go from there and come back bigger and better, and that's all you can do.
And you know what they call that? Keep digging.
That's right.
So with that being said, Factory Street Race didn't go our way. We you know, kind of sucked, but hey, as always, I'm Diggin Z71. Thanks for watching. Keep digging. We'll see you next time.